Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today I am at Hereford where you're going to be seeing services from West Midlands Railway and Transport for Wales. So yeah, let's get into the video. Arriving in now is the 1010 Transport for Wales service from Holyhead to Milford. This one is 175107. Departing out now is the 1010 Transport for Wales service from Holyhead to Milford. Arriving in now is the slightly delayed 1014 West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham New Street, terminating here at Hereford, which is coming in on platform number 1, and it is 170-535 ex-East Midlands Railway. I think anyway. It might not be. And on the rear is, so you got 170-535 on the front. And on the rear is 170-502. Arriving in now is the 1029 Transport for Wales service from Cardiff Central to Holyhead. Definitely going to Holyhead, and I'm pretty sure it's from Cardiff Central. I will confirm that for sure when it departs. It's 2 car 158 and it's 158829. Departing out now is the 1029 Transport for Wales service from Holyhead from Cardiff Central to Holyhead. Departing out now is the 1039 West Midlands Railway service to Birmingham New Street, stopping Everton. Lovely tone there from the driver. That's a very nice two-tone there from the driver. Arriving now is the delayed 1047 Transport for Wales service from Manchester Piccadilly to Milford Haven. This train is running about 7 minutes late. The front is 153329. And the rear is 153367. Departing out now is the delayed 1047 Transport for Wales service from Manchester Piccadilly to Milford Haven. Arriving in now is the 1058 Transport for Wales service from Milford Haven to Manchester Piccadilly. And this one is 175002. Departing out now is the 1058 Transport for Wales service from Milford Haven to Manchester Piccadilly. Arriving in now is the 1116 West Midlands Railway service, terminating here at Hereford from Birmingham New Street. The front is 172004. And the rear is back a bit, 172002. And if we just come over here, and that is going to be the final train in this video. So if you have enjoyed this video, then please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this one, and comment down below any stations you want me to visit. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.